whether it's good or perceived bad, don't even go that route. I just woke up, so I'm a little drowsy. Right? I feel like I smoked some. I don't know. I just feel like I smoked a blunt. All right, here we go, guys. Struggling this morning. Something up with my brain. The pizza. Yeah, there's chemicals in that pizza that fucked up my brain. And it's kind of like, oh man, I could feel it. I shouldn't eat that pizza. That pizza like put me in a state that's like not good. So that's another example. You see how I'm struggling to get these pills? That's because I ate bad food yesterday. But there's a positive out of it. But from here on out, I can't be eating pizza. Pizza is very bad for you. There's chemicals in pizza that are going to mess up your ability to eat pills. And you want to eat pills in the morning.
Money. It's our job to master money and view it as an energy source. An energy source that must be invested and given back and grown and cultivated. Not sucked up and just wasted on meaningless pleasures like drugs, alcohol. These plants do cost money, but they are also an investment, because every day that I wake up, I'm reminded that I am but helpless without these plants. I'm nothing. Without these plants, I cannot breathe. Without the world. So you might think, oh, why does this guy have plants in his house? It's kind of weird. No, this plant teaches me a lot. This plants, these things I place in purposely. I purposely, intentionally place these things in here to power my subconscious mind.